Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Discord overlay on your mobile device. So first of all, you guys need to open Discord from your mobile. Okay, so here you can see I've just opened up the Discord. Click on that bottom right side. You'll find that icon of your profile. Now scroll down and search for voice and video option, which is in app settings option. Now click on that and find enable mobile voice overlay. Okay, now you can see that overlay. You guys just simply need to turn this enable mobile voice overlay on. Okay, now you can see who is talking, while if you are on any kind of Discord server. Okay, now let me show you guys. So let's suppose I'm simply just joining any kind of voice channel. Okay, so this is a simple voice channel where you can see that there are people listening to that groovy music. Okay, so you guys simply just need to adjust that position where you want to put that overlay, or where you want to see that overlay in your mobile device. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.